I am all about adding value whenever I can, and that's why I love custom inside neck labels. Now these are great because they not only add value for me as the printer, you know how much I'm gonna make off this order, but they also add value to the end user because it really makes it a more premium product. Now, custom neck labels are as easy as pie when you have the HPN Black Series label press and direct to film transfers, so that's what I'm gonna show you today. But before we move on, do me a favor and hit that like button, and if you wanna see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel as well. Now for a project like this, the Prestige A4 is going to be perfect for our needs. We're gonna go ahead and print off a gang sheet of a handful of neck labels, take it over to our powdering station and powder and shake it, then bring it over to our oven to cure, and once it's done curing, these bad boys are ready to press. Now, when you're doing a project like this, you wanna be using a t-shirt with an easy tear label. Just like that, you could see we're ripping that label right off. Now, if you don't have a DTF printer, no worries, because now you could order your own custom DTF transfers thanks to HeatPress Nation and our TruePrint custom transfers. Now we're gonna head on over to our Black Series label press, and we're just gonna make sure we're using the right settings, which in this case, it's gonna be 315 degrees Fahrenheit with a 15-second press. Now I'm gonna load my t-shirt onto the heat press, position my transfer, and we're gonna go ahead and press it. Now, once it's done, this is a hot peel, so I'm gonna get right in there, peel it off, and because it's DTF, we're gonna have to seal this into the garment, put some parchment paper on, and repress for about 5 seconds or so. And just like that, we've increased the value of this shirt. Again, not just for me, making more money on this by adding an additional imprint location, but for our client and the end user, because again, this just really adds to the premium quality of this product. Now, if you've been following our channel, you probably saw another video where we showed you different finishing steps that you could use to add value to your orders, like bagging it, throwing in a business card, adding a sticker, all that stuff. If you haven't seen it, be sure to check it out. But this right here, we're doing essentially the same thing. We are adding value. Now, if you want to get one of these for yourself, you could purchase this Black Series 5x5-inch label press at heatpressnation.com, and you'll also find a huge selection of all of our other heat transfer equipment and supplies.